Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of Google Drive. Then this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to Storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. Or you can just turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.